I'm Brody Delkamp, District Sales Manager for the Arcadia brand here at Keystone RV. Today I'm standing in front of a brand new floor plan in the Super Lite lineup. If you're looking for a short fifth wheel couples coach that is state and national park friendly, I'd love to introduce you to the Arcadia Super Lite 242SLMD. This floor plan is under 8,000 pounds and less than 30 feet in length, with everything that you need to enjoy weekend or week-long adventures. Stepping inside, you'll notice despite being less than 30 feet in length, this coach is pretty spacious. The living area features standard theater seats that owners have the option to replace with a trifold sofa for extra sleeping that is directly across from the TV. The standard booth dinette is located on the camp side with a large picture window and is perfect for enjoying a home-cooked meal or having a game night. This dinette easily converts into another sleeping space, and owners can option in freestanding dinette if they choose. Next to the theater seats, there's additional storage with a built-in coat bench. The rear kitchen has tons of countertop space, cabinetry, and large pantry to optimize storage while on the road. The Fearon appliance package features a 10 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerator, 3-burner cooktop and oven, and convection microwave. The dual basin stainless steel kitchen sink is deep to make washing dishes a lot easier. Heading upstairs, I wanted to point out the great use of space underneath the steps that is perfect for storing shoes. Despite being less than 30 feet in length, owners still get the comforts of home in the bathroom. This floor plan features a large 30 by 48 inch shower. The vanity has 3 drawers and a large cabinet below the sink. Above the vanity, there's a built-in medicine cabinet. Storage is important while on the road, so we've optimized every square inch of space of the built-in wardrobe slide with 2 large drawers and an area devoted to hanging storage. Outside this coach is equipped with an outdoor kitchen that features a mini fridge and pull-out cooktop. Thanks for checking out the Arcadia Super Lite 242SLMD. This less than 30-foot floor plan is perfect for those who want to explore without state and national park limitations. Visit our website to learn more about this floor plan. If you'd like more great content, make sure you like and subscribe so that we can help you camp better. See you on the road.